What's the meaning of cinnamon? Cinnamon. Cinnamon.
Cinnamon. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice derived from the inner bark of trees, belonging to the genus Cinnamomum. It has a sweet and aromatic flavor and is used in both sweet and savory dishes. Cinnamon is also known for its medicinal properties, such as its ability to lower blood sugar levels and reduce inflammation in the body. In addition to its culinary and therapeutic uses, cinnamon is also used in perfumes, cosmetics, and as a natural insect repellent. Overall, cinnamon is a versatile spice with many uses.